Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing, the new Boxycharm, but first I want to introduce myself, which I usually never do. This is my channel, I'm Livia. Hi everybody if you're new to my channel. And I do a lot of different videos. I do unboxing, I do a lot of baking, and I do mom life and just general lifestyle videos. This is my backyard, so I apologize if there are a lot of noises, but I'm trying to build my new office in the house where I'm gonna shoot all my videos. So it's gonna be ready next week, so wait for new videos in the office. Maybe I'll make a video about the office itself, but I'm gonna start with Boxycharm right away because I don't want to make this video too long. This is the September Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail. Here it is, the inside. The theme of this month is all access, so we have 5 items like every month. And I think I'm not wrong, but the cost of the box is $10. Let's start right away because I don't want this video to be too long. First item is Dr. Brandt, which I already tried some stuff off, and it's the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I love masks, so I'm so happy. Value of $52, and it's 50 grams, which is 1.7 ounces. Looks like this inside. Very nice. I'm definitely gonna try this out. I don't know if it's already open. No, the thing flew away. I usually don't open it if it's not already open it until I use it. I'll get the card back. I'm back with the card. Next item, we have the Violet Voss Essentials, and there's a eyeshadow palette, and it has 10 different eyeshadows. Very nice, the colors, even though they're a little too bright. If you follow me, you know I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't use eyeshadows a lot, but this is the perfect little present to give someone. Then next we have a set of brushes, and the brand is, sorry I forgot, the value of the palette was $29, and these are the Moda 5 pieces brush kit for a value of 27.95 cents. It's a vegan, 100% vegan brand, so nice. Next, 2 more items in the box. Next we have Hank and Henry, which is my husband's name, black eyeliner, which is great because eyeliner is one of the few things I use with my makeup. Value of $20, and I'm definitely gonna try this for sure. Very, very nice. And last but not least, we have this $1 billion brow, the microblade effect brow pen. Very nice because I want to start using a brown pen too, so I'm definitely gonna try this. The color is dark and the value is $18. That was pretty much it. I mean, as always, I'm gonna tell you my favorite of this month are the sleeping mask and the eyeshadow. These I'm gonna for sure use. The palette, I'm gonna gift it to one of my friends, and the brow, I'm gonna try it once and see how is the color, because maybe the dark is too dark for me, I don't know. And the brushes, maybe I'll give it with the palette away. So that was it for this month Boxycharm. I'm trying to find other boxes that I wanna receive, so please stay tuned for next month's unboxing videos. And thank you again for watching. As always, I want to remind you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I upload a lot of different videos and I'm sure there is something that might interest you for sure. And thank you again if you watched this video until the end. Please leave a comment and a like down below because it really helps me, and I'll see you again very soon with a new video. Thank you. Bye.